Hey there, friends and fellow crafters, it's LeeAnn, and I am here today with Imagine Crafts. So, as you can see, I am going to be using some of my VersaFine Clair. These are my favorite inks of all of the line. These are my favorite inks. They are pigment. They do dry fast. So, we're going to get started and see what we can do. Today I've decided I'm not going to do a card like I usually do. We're going to decorate this wonderful cutting board. So I have my inks and my blender brushes. And I'm going to start off at the top. And we're just going to blend this down, just to add some color to the cutting board. And this is summertime, although it's the fall. This is a very nice color here. It's a beautiful orange. And we're just going to go ahead and get this blended over on the edges. I am going to leave the sides as they are, the natural raw wood color, but I just want to add some color here to the outer edges. And this will be a gift for my mother-in-law, and I already know where she's going to put it. We've already discussed this project, and she's really looking forward to receiving it. So again, this VersaFine Clair is a fast-drying pigment ink, and so that was summertime, and now I'm bringing in cheerful. I know it seems like I use the same colors a lot, especially with my VersaFine Clairs, but these are the colors I enjoy, and I do need to start like going outside the box of those, but right now I'm happy. And these colors that I chose for this project I think are beautiful fall colors. So we'll see what happens. Now this is a cutting board that I actually purchased in the craft department over at Walmart, and it really takes the ink nicely. I'm not trying to totally get rid of the colors, but I do love the way that adding this ink does bring out that wood grain a little more. And it doesn't take a whole lot of time or ink to cover this up. Just bring this in and blend that in a little bit more right there at the edges so that I don't have a harsh transition. But he likes a harsh transition there. Probably did a little bit more ink than I should have right there. But that's okay, because I can go right back over it with the yellow again. Just one more time. Blend that in. There we go. Put those two away. And then I have this stencil. This stencil was bought as a 3-pack of like 12 by 12 stencils. Also at Walmart. And I'm going to use some not so sticky tape, but sticky enough to hold down my stencil. And I did cut this stencil down because it was a 12 by 12, but there were 4 stencils within that 12 by 12. So there we go. And now I'm going to bring in Green Oasis. And I'll go over the leaf pattern of this stencil. So I think the most projects that I make for my mother-in-law happen to be fall projects. And since she likes them and she wants to put them up around her house, sure, I'll keep making them. However, I like the way this is turning out, and I may decide to do this for Christmas as well. Obviously a different stencil. I'll have to look and see what I can find. Maybe something with holly berries. And then something other than a cutting board. Trying to make sure that I don't go outside of my stencil lines, but also I don't want to go into the word with the green. There we go. That was Green Oasis. And now we're going to use Pinecone. There we go. Peel and reveal. I'll take that stencil and run it through some water. And I did get some green over here. Where I didn't want it. But I'll just go over it with my blender brushes and get it out the best I can. And there we go. Hope you enjoy. Please leave your comments down below if you've done a cutting board or some similar gift like this for a friend or family member, and I will be looking for your comments. All inks used will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.